Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Hello everyone, welcome back to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we are so happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification button so you will be notified for more upcoming videos.
Connected.
So anybody can talk. If you want to give your submission, you can talk. Where is Andy today? Where is Crunch Queen today? As a matter of fact, Lati called Andy. He called Crunch Queen. He used to call them. He used to invite them. Oh yeah, Emabo, okay, oh yeah, Emabo, oh yeah, Emabo. None of them. Since those days that they've been lying on his skinny, since then Andy has not been coming up on his platform. Àfi tó bá fẹ́ lọ lọ́la. So ta ló fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀? Abẹ́jẹ́, Adéjọkẹ́, are you there?
Wúrà Bùnmi send request ma.
See you, are you there? Wúrà Bùnmi, tó bá tún yá á tún jábọ́. So who wants to talk?
Àbí Wúrà Bùnmi ni kó kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ torí network.
Wúrà Bùnmi ya talk.
Torí network wọn, torí kò yé wa mọ́ o. Àní kẹ́ máa sanwó network yín ẹni rárá.
Wúrà Bùnmi talk.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká lómi sọ̀rọ̀ network mi dá mo busy báyìí.
Kú ètò ẹ káalẹ́ gbogbo ilé o, gbogbo platform ẹ ṣe o. Mo kọ́fì ẹ kú iṣẹ́ kò ní sùn yín.
Ìyá Ọ̀yọ́ ẹ mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ o.
Fún ọ̀rọ̀ wo kí ló dé?
Torí àwọn ọba Adédàgbòrú.
Ẹ mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe Nàìjíríà lẹ́wà kẹ́ mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe sọ̀rọ̀.
Ìníyọnu ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni ọ̀pá Mohbad là ń wá gbogbo àwọn tá a bá sì ti bọ́wọ́ wọn ń bẹ́ là ń bá wí. Àdé nìkan sí pé kò ní í yẹ gbogbo wọn lápapọ̀. Àtàdédàgbòrú, Àtàdéjùmọ̀bí, Aládéjọbí, Àtàdépawọ́pọ̀ bí tí wọ́n bí gbogbo wọn ni wọn ò ní soríire, wọn ò ní gbádùn, wọn ò ní lálàáfíà. Wọ́n gẹ̀ẹ́tì tiẹ̀ náà lórí ọmọ. Gbogbo ẹni ọba bọ́ta tó ní òun rìn kí pé wọ́n ràn òun ṣẹ́ kó lọ mọ́ wá information àwọn olóṣèlú kiri. Bọ́ bá gbẹ́ kòtò lẹ̀ wọ́n jọ kó sí ni àtẹni ọ̀ràn wọn àtàwọn tí wọ́n ní láyọ̀. Wọ́n ní ká fi ẹnu àdákẹ́ àkàrà yóò sú. Wọ́n ní bọ́ bá dì sẹ́nu tí wọn ò bá wí. Wọ́n ní tí ò wulẹ̀ bá wọn jà ọ́ bá wọn jà. Bí wọ́n bá ní àmọ́ wí tán bá ní àmọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ tán bá ní àwọn lápani tí dúró ti ni pé wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ bí àwọn. Ọba tó dá wọn ó bí wọn. Ọba tó ju gbogbo ọba àgbáyé lọ yóò bí wọn. Elédùmarè tí túdi alábòsí yóò túdi gbogbo ọba tó bá wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad tó jẹ́ kó lakú lọ. Èdùmàrè yóò tú láṣìírí, yóò tú ń di ìta. Bí ó ti rí nù yóò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Arifa àdọ̀bálẹ̀ kálé. Ó rí pé yàgídí ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í jẹ ọ́. Ó rí pé ó ti dẹni àbùkù. Ó rí pé ó kì í ṣẹni àpọ́nlé. Ó rí pé joojúmọ́ irọ́ ló ń fi ojoojúmọ́ pa irọ́ tó ń kọ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn olórí ẹbí. Òun ló ń pa káyé kí. Ọwọ́ ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ wọn mọ́ bínú sí ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé orí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ orí ìlóso ìní ajá kú sí. Orí ìlóso náà ló padà kú sí. Orí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ, orí ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ rẹ náà láburú ọ̀wà bọ̀. Àwọn tó ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún náà wọn ò tó kọjú ìjà dá. Ẹranko oníwájú gbádágí olòṣì òpònú. Wọ́n ń lé ní ibì kan ó tún bọ́ síbòmíì. Lẹ́yìn táṣìírí yín ti tú gbogbo irọ́ tẹ̀ ń pa ó ti já síta. Irọ́ tẹ̀ ń pa ó ti já síta, wọ́n ti rí yín. Ìwọ yìí náà ló lọ ló bọ̀. Ló ní n tó rí ní ebi n tó olórí ló kó bọ̀. Àmọ́ sọ pé nìkan ló ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni ebi sí ọwọ́ rẹ àtẹnu rẹ ló ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Ìwọ lò sí ọmọ ẹranko yìí. Ìwọ wá wí pé ńgbà náà kí wọ́n lágbára wọn o, kí wọ́n ṣe kinní kan o. Orí ẹ ti dàrú, orí ẹ ó ti burú. Bọ́ bá fẹ́ lágbára orí yín náà wọn ó ti lò. Tọ́rẹ́ yín gangan lalábòsí tẹ̀ ń bọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ ìwọ àti Yọ̀mí. Ìwọ olórí burúkú àtẹ̀lé òpònú yìí. Ẹ wo ọba tó ní ọ̀run yóò padà tún ọ láṣìírí gbangba. wọ́n mẹ́yẹ bọ̀ lápò ni àṣírí wọn ò bò gbogbo èso tí wọ́n gbìn gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n kà jẹ lórí ọmọ àwọn ẹ̀hànnà mùsù àwọn òpònú olórí burúkú kí náà mẹlẹ́ngọ́ tó bá ń dárúkọ èèyàn gan béèyàn bá ṣaburú kò yẹ ká ro fún tó bá ti wá di pé wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn ń yọjú ká ń pè mí ní ń bá wí èmi ní ń bá wí sẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ wípé sí ọwọ́ wọn gan ní ń dà wọ́n láàmú gbogbo agbára yòówù tán lè lò táyé ni ń lò ọba tó ní tọ̀run yóò kíyàn náà sí ẹ̀wọ̀n ayé ẹ̀wọ̀n tó burú tán náà ní lè jáde bíi káfọ́lójú bíi kéèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ lápá bíi kójókòó ọmọ lè dìde bíi kọ́dà sólógìgì nídìí kọ́mọ lè jókòó gbogbo ẹ̀ ni ó ṣe gbogbo ẹni ọba wà nù ikú tó pa Mohbad gbogbo ẹni ọlọ́wọ́ ń bẹ àtiwọ́tọ́ báyàwó ẹ̀sùn tẹ́ ẹ tún wá ń lépa ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ rí pé ẹ gbà lẹ́mìí gbogbo yín lẹ máa jìyà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yín àti mo ṣe ń bẹ̀ àti mo ṣe kínkínní àtẹ̀mí mọ́lọ́mọ àtẹ̀mí kí mọ́lọ́mọ ẹ jẹ ìyà àṣírí yín ó tú Èdùmàrè yóò fi sí ọwọ́ yín yí èbí yín àwọn olórí burúkú míì tiẹ̀ wá mọ tó ń fi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ ń ta rárá mọ́ mi kọ́ fi ẹjẹ́ àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ kárí díẹ̀ ló ń bẹ̀.
All right, so ta ló tún máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀? Adejoke, are you there? See you at best. Dayo USA.
Good evening, man. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Happy Mother's Day to all responsible mothers, not the mothers that born all these Ekuleku people. I hope the money Arifa and Veron they collected, they came to for another day. I hope the money has finished because they're supposed to come out since then. Because I thought they wanted to hold the smoke that is smoking upstairs. The way they all run giddy with their mouth power. Hey, don't talk, don't do this, don't do this. Arifa, you see your nyash. Say as your nyash open for ground. So do you want to tell me that in all this nonsense you were saying, this was part of justice for Mohbad? I asked you, is it not yesterday, the day before yesterday? I said, why didn't they arrest Papariano or any other men in this justice for Mohbad? When you said you suffer for justice for Mohbad because of Baba Mohbad, they arrested you. Why didn't they arrest the other people? Because you were out of line. Because you were receiving money from your godmother, godfathers from overseas. It was only you that we were seeing people that were carrying bucket to Mohbad's room, bringing bucket out, carrying cooler, tamokun, green cooler, the one Mama Wumi used to give Mr. Dayo. So he made them take carry that go restaurants. It was only you that was seeing it. We were saying sokusho, and you are coming out today to come and attack Papa Mohbad. It's because of justice for Mohbad you went to prison. Like, yes, it's not because of justice for Mohbad. If not, everybody would have go. If it's justice for Mohbad, everybody would have they would have packed everybody. It was your mouth. You understand? I don't know the skyscraper you want to build, that you want to go and be bringing different things. Look at everything that you vomited now. Look at everything you vomited. Can you come outside now? That lady was asking you that day. Just say small. You could not even mention one. Because you were not ashamed of yourself. You said the case is in court. Courtini. Mention one out of it. You know is come and insult Papa Mohbad. It's because people don't have responsible father. That's why you people do come outside to come and insult him. I don't understand these people, People in justice for Mohbad, especially the fallen angels that fell from heaven. The way people do something, you guys have self-centered, You guys have self-centered. How can you say you are helping somebody? You be beating the person. You say make the person, like the person should not utter a word. The person should not cry. Why? Have you guys forgotten how you made this man, cause this man, abuse this man? I have if I go to, is it Morire video on Facebook, all the causes you people are rendering on that man's enemy's head, That woman said everything there. She's justice for Wunmi, but she keep everything. Morire, something like that. But it was, she just nearly put to bed now. If you go to her platform, oh my goodness. Hey, you will see Papariano, Lady Aries, whether na crunch queen and been a
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
It's Morire, something like that.
Okay.
We send you her name. She don't really put it there. She's a supporter of Wunmi on Facebook.
Okay, Morire. So
Morire.
they now went to our platform. They went to our platform
All the
to do what?
no. That she used to cut cheats. She used to cut all the that if these people, this justice for Mohbad people that is attacking Baba Mohbad, if they are lying that Baba Mohbad came for them first, they should go to that woman platform and go and see all their videos they use in dragging Baba Mohbad, insulting him, calling him different names. All videos are in that woman platform. There was one day I said that I have it, I was saving it. So somebody said I should not save it again because it's not good for my mental health. Since it's insult, so I should just let it go. You understand? So, but they will say, Baba, do come for them. You people did good for somebody. You really tried. Use your time, your data, guys, everything to fight for justice for Mohbad. I know Baba did not call anybody. But if you want to correct somebody, it's not by insults. First and foremost, the man did not call us, fine. But he did not even tell us to be calling him Baba. It was we that choose it because it's Baba Mohbad. It's part of abbreviation. You understand? It's not that the man is like 80, 100. No. It was Baba Mohbad we started before we now started calling him Baba. Baba, yes, he's not a grandfather. You understand? But if you don't want to still call him, no problem. But the insult, you people cannot take what you give out. That's why I say I'm referring you people to that Morire platform. Go and watch all what people have been doing because you want justice for Mohbad. You are dragging his father. Justice for Mohbad is not going to take under one day to get justice now. What about this girl, blessed memory, Bamishe? Her case take 3 years. We have to take it easy. And the worst part of it, we Nigerians, we have forgotten the country we came from. That country is full of corruption. Karimo came out to say that they bribe police with wine and 100,000. But we have forgotten all those things. The next thing we are dragging, Baba Mohbad, Baba Mohbad, Baba Mohbad. Ah, God Almighty. Another something again that I don't like in this justice. That's one thing I love about Papariano. He said you don't want to join any group of calling behind because they are going to be bringing all your voice out. I was crying the day Baba Mohbad was asking Bossman, why are you doing this? Why people like that? That is everything people discuss in behind. People did you see? Messi found me and Temi as the fight reached. Anything about Wunmi, they have not brought it out. They use it to do pad under their 2 legs. You understand? But our own, we rush and be coming out. What are you going to gain? What are you going to gain? It's not good, eh? You people will drag the man. You say you are giving him advice. You will insult. When the man now come outside to come and give you people one, you people now be angry that why will he be insulting his helper of destiny? I beg. Now what drown the man for his river? Okay, me no see raise his hand up say egba mi o ara adugbo egba mi o. I know good now. It's not nice. It's not nice. And if I look at your sin now, the sin that you committed many years ago. It's not haunting you again. The sin you committed many years ago is not haunting you again. You are now with cap on your head. It's not good. You guys think you are doing Papa Mohbad. Bini say in our parable, for the help you help others, it will never end. Good, that is greeting, eh? This greeting of a team. People think it is only one person that greets. No, if you greet me and greet you, we are exchanging a pleasant. You understand? Good morning. My sister, how you doing? Good morning. You see. So I said, for the help you are helping your fellow human being, we no end. This helping people help in this justice for Mohbad. Your 10th generation, we they will get the reward because you help somebody you don't know. You understand? But coming now to come and be dragging the man and cursing. Okay, if the man not say one thing, now you people say you want to buy. But what about all that you people have been saying? Guys, go to Morire platform. Go and see what they are doing to Papa Mohbad. That's why I asked that they say, person wey pikin buy, the person no feel happy again. When I lost my mom, the first day that people came to greet me, they said I should eat. I said I'm not going to eat. The second day they said I should eat, but don't eat meat, don't chew bone. They were just joking with me. Just eat something to make yourself strong. You understand? We do say, if a husband buy, you go buy, follow husband. If husband you come out from the spirit ground now, say, oh yeah, follow me. You go they shout, help. Never seen where they will say a father lost a son, a father lost a daughter. The man cannot go to work, the man cannot eat, he cannot do anything. He have to stay. If it's 10 years, he get justice. He has to stay in that 10 years. He can't do anything. He can't go to party. No, it's only the wife that is abide to that rule. Me, I believe Yoruba people still have the same culture as well. It's only the wife because of the bond they share together, the love. Our place in Benin, we do it 5 years, 4 years, 3 years. Woman will stay without getting married, without going close to another man. I've never seen where they will say the father cannot meet with the woman or nini. Samu Jojo, if you say Papa Mohbad, say the carry girl go hotel, I beg, put your wife available. Bring your wife out. Or your mother-in-law, bring your mother-in-law out. Because I don't know what is your stress. You are a snitch in this justice for Mohbad. You are not to be trusted. Any fallen angels from Wunmi camp, you guys are a snitch. Look at Karimo today. Today she will join her sister. Tomorrow she will say she wants to buy her sister. You are a snitch. And it was proven to Aries and these people the other day. Everybody, they caught you red-handed. They caught you. You think they still trust you. You'll be doing show. Remember you said when you apologized to Papa Mohbad, without nobody was pursuing you. You said that you have a child. That is why you are apologizing because of the evil you did. And you are going back to your vomit again. Samu Jojo, the one that will be before you will be bigger than the one that before Papa Mohbad. You understand? If you don't visit or remove your hand from Papa Mohbad's hand, you understand? Go back to Wunmi camp. Even though say they don't disown you from that side, they push you away from their coven. You can still go back. Go and be eating the remnants they throw away. We don't need you in this justice for Mohbad. Go back there. You are evil. You are evil. All the things that you and Lagata were doing that time, Lagata was telling you something. You still open that guy now upon say he still trusts you. You are not. You are evil. You are evil. Keleshi Abina Keneshi Abi. What do they call it? That Hausa shuya what they do for not that Keneshi. You are evil. You are just like that. Your liver, your soul, your kidney, your caca, everything is like that. What people are doing is not good there. It's not nice. If Papa Mohbad is here, was with the son, the day the son, but me, I for don't drag him, but because I felt drag him before. When he buried Mohbad earlier, I say, they pay this man money. When the man came to talk, and I believe him, people will say he lie. Which kind of lie? Because he did not tell you Blessing called him. You don't know if you want to reserve it for court. Maybe there is something that Blessing tell him that they don't want to. Everything you people want to open it here on social media. The woman is keeping everything her own side. This thing people are doing is not good though. And if do you think today will ever come again? That this video will ever be played again? I thought the way, what's the name? Break the silence was warning you that they say, just leave Comfy alone. Just do your own. You said no. So we tell you, no, drag her. Do this one. You did not hear. Arifa, you are evil, eh? Oh, however, to make a can over to me because a kind of I am to my way. What do you do, eh? What do you do for dragging Papa Mohbad without he did. If he chop the money, now your money is chop. Mona see by own now picking now, so that Mona see how they be since the man is enjoying, he's doing celebrity, this and this. Yes, he's a celebrity. Papa celebrity now. Abi. God ordain it. Just that he got marry Chachangele, a wrong woman, na ikosa. He marry a wrong woman who prefer Amala than Mohbad. Prefer Amala than Mohbad. What you guys are doing, some are waiting for you in the front, so some are waiting for you. If you want to help somebody, help. If you are giving somebody a soup to eat, crayfish fell inside, don't use your tongue to pick it. Leave it for that person. You guys have given the money to the man. You leave it. Go and see Mr. Ibu's money. I keep using that as an example here. Igbo people donated to Yoruba. What is it? Igbo people donated 2 times when they want to bury the man. They still donate.